What's up everyone? Welcome back to Jay Get It, where we break down money topics in plain English. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever made your monthly payments, but somehow your debt barely moves? You're doing everything right, yet it feels like you're stuck in quicksand. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about debt management strategies, real, practical steps you can use to get out of debt faster, rebuild your confidence, and take control of your financial future. No complicated finance talk, no judgment, just clear steps that work. Let's get into it. One of the most frustrating money experiences is making payment after payment and seeing almost no progress. Here's why that happens. Most people are fighting interest, not debt. High-interest credit cards quietly eat away at your payments. Minimum payments barely touch the principal. And without a plan, your money leaks out in every direction. Debt doesn't disappear on its own. It requires strategy. That's what we're building today. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize your debt, choose a payoff strategy that fits you, build an emergency fund, budget smarter, improve your credit score, talk to creditors, avoid common debt traps. These are the foundations of financial freedom. Here's something most people never get taught. Debt is part math and part behavior. Yes, numbers matter, but habits matter even more. Spending patterns, emotional purchases, lifestyle creep, avoiding statements. If you don't fix the behavior side, no strategy will stick. So today we're working both angles. Let's say someone has $4,500 in credit cards at 24% interest, $12,000 car loan, $18,000 student loans. That's over $34,000 in total debt. The mistake most people make? They look at the total and feel overwhelmed. Instead, we break it into manageable pieces. Step 1. Write everything down. Every balance, every interest rate, every minimum payment. You need clarity before you need motivation. Create a simple list or spreadsheet. This is your debt battlefield map. You can't win a fight you can't see. Now comes the payoff method. There are two popular options: the Snowball method and the Avalanche method. Neither is wrong. The best one is the one you'll stick with. Snowball means paying off your smallest debt first. You get quick wins. Each payoff builds confidence. Momentum grows. Motivation increases. Psychologically, this works great for people who need encouragement early. Small victories turn into big progress. Avalanche focuses on interest rates. You attack the highest interest debt first. Mathematically, this saves you the most money long term. This is perfect for analytical thinkers who want maximum efficiency. Again, pick the method that matches your personality. Let's talk budgeting without stress. A simple framework is 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for goals. Needs are housing, food, utilities. Wants are entertainment, shopping, eating out. Goals are debt payoff, savings, investing. If money feels chaotic, this brings structure. Before attacking debt aggressively, build a small emergency fund. Start with $500. That's enough to handle minor surprises without using credit cards. Then slowly grow it to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your financial safety net. No emergency fund equals repeated debt cycles. Here's good news. Paying down debt automatically helps your credit score. Lower balances equals lower risk. Credit bureaus love that. Your score improves. Loan rates improve. Future borrowing becomes cheaper. Debt freedom and credit health go hand in hand. Most people don't realize this. You can actually call your creditors. Ask for lower interest rates, payment plans, temporary hardship programs. Sometimes one phone call can save hundreds, even thousands, of dollars. Closed mouths don't get fed. Debt consolidation can help simplify payments. But it's not magic. Sometimes fees are hidden. Sometimes interest resets. Sometimes spending increases afterward. If behavior doesn't change, consolidation just reshuffles debt. Use it carefully. Watch out for buy now, pay later traps, lifestyle creep, ignoring statements. These quietly rebuild debt. Financial awareness is your shield. If you feel overwhelmed, you're not weak. You're human. Credit counselors and financial professionals exist to help. You don't have to do this alone. Let me say this clearly. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Small steps every month beat big steps once a year. Progress compounds. Celebrate every win. If this video helped you, like it, share it, subscribe. Financial education spreads when we support each other. Debt is not who you are. It's just a chapter. What matters is what you do next. Every payment is progress. Every habit change is growth. Your future self is watching. Stay financially empowered, stay informed, and remember, you don't need to be rich to build wealth. You just need discipline, direction, and determination. This is Jay Get It, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or investment advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.